said, it's run, walk, trot, whatever you want to do yourself. It's all inclusive. Yeah. So what are you up to today, Bernie?
Okay, Ray, I'm off today, so I was just outside off the back enjoying the sunshine. I was lying out and I was listening to your show, and I just had to do a little bit of shopping earlier, so I'm just relaxing now for the evening.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And I see you're a medical secretary.
That's right, yeah.
So is it important for you in your job to have a good telephone manner?
Well, I think so, really, because you're the first point of contact with all your patients, and everybody who's ringing up, they're obviously unwell, so I think it is important. Yes, definitely.
And they're vulnerable, and as you say, you're their first point of contact, so you're important. You need to have a reassuring voice, which you do have. I can hear it in you.
Thank you, Ray. Thank you.
Now, you're just back from doing the Camino, 16 miles a day for 6 days.
That's right, Ray. My husband and I just got back last Saturday night. We walked from Los Arcos to Bergen. So we worked out at 17 miles a day, or 16 miles a day. It was absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it was fabulous. So it's my fourth one, and I booked again for September. We're going to do the Pyrenees from France into Spain. So, yeah.
You're a big fan of the walking. You're a big
Love the walking,
I was just doing the math on it, because that's the way my brain works. So if you'd done 4 more miles, you would have done 100 miles.
Yes, in 6 days, we would.
Yeah, but you probably did walk up and down to the room and all that sort of thing. You could say you walked 100 miles.
Oh, I think we did, I suppose, going out for meals at night and that.
I see you're a big fan of the Waterford Greenway.
I am, yes. We've most of that completed now. I suppose when we started out doing the Camino initially, we just kind of did a few long treks on that. And also now as well here in Cork, we have the Middleton Greenway, Middleton to Youghal Greenway. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So that was made up last year.
I don't know if they've done it yet, but they're extending the Waterford Greenway out to New Ross as well, which will be the Wexford Waterford Greenway then, but there you go. Okay, so it's Margaret versus Bernie. So it's the 1, 2, 3 quiz. You get 3 questions each. After you hear the category, I ask if you want a 1-pointer or a 2-pointer. If you go for a 1-pointer, it's multiple choice. 2-pointer is the same question but no choice. All the questions are against the clock, and we have to accept your first answer. Terms and conditions apply. Okay, so good luck to you both. Good luck, Margaret. Good luck, Bernie. Here we go.
Thank you. Good luck, Margaret. Oh, good luck.
Bernie, that's Bernie. Right, Margaret. Margaret, Peter, Vera, the whole lot of you. Songs about friends, which is apt enough. Songs about friends. Do you want a 1-pointer or a 2-pointer?
I go 2, I think.
Okay. Good luck with this. Who is singing this for 2 points? Who's that?
I don't know.
No idea. That is Queen. My best friend, 1975. Okay, early days, no panic.
Okay.
Bernie, songs about friends. You want a 1-pointer or a 2-pointer?
I'll go for 2-pointer, please, Ray.
Okay. We're singing this song about friends for 2 points. No, I require a little help from my friends. Can I have a little help from my friends? Who's that? It is the Beatles, yes. My friend, 1967. 2 points for you. Margaret, back to you. TV families. There's no audio tip with this one. TV families. The 2-pointer, okay. What's the surname in TV land of Tony, Carmela, Meadow, and AJ. No.
No.
Tony Soprano, Carmela Soprano, Meadow Soprano, AJ Soprano. Right, you're not out of it yet. But, there's a big but for you, Margaret.
I know, I'm hanging on it.
Yeah, you are, yes. If Bernie gets anything from this question, she's today's winner. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
That's curtains for you, Margaret. Okay, Bernie, TV families, what do you want to do with that in mind? Do you want a 1 point or a 2 point?
I'll go for the one, please, Wayne.
Yes, that would make sense. Okay, what's the surname of Gomez, Morticia, Wednesday, and Pugsley? Is it Munster, Adams, or Griffin?
The Adams.
Yes, it is. The Adams family, indeed. You get a point. You're today's winner. Margaret.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you, Ray.
Back to you, Bernie. Margaret, yeah, it is.
Oh, you're all right. Look, enjoy.
Yeah. Listen, Margaret,
Have a great time.
we're going to send you out.
So much.
Great talking to you. See you, Margaret. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye now. Bye. Bernie, well done.
Ray, thank you so much.
Yes.
And hopefully we'll see you in Cork in June.
Yes, yeah.
Tremor Park.
Tremor Valley, yes, yeah. And listen,
Listen,
if you're going to Johnstown Estate, obviously I'd say the hubby, and you can go to johnstownestate.com to see what's in store for you. Well done, Bernie.
Goodness. Thank you so much, Ray. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
Darcy Show on RTE Radio 1.
Fly KLM Royal Dutch Airlines from Dublin or Cork Airport and discover 155 destinations worldwide with convenient transfers via Amsterdam. With frequent departures from Ireland, flying KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, you can take off to bustling Beijing, dazzling Delhi, jazzy Johannesburg, radiant Rio, or vibrant Vancouver. Book now at klm.ie.
It's hard to picture the damage high blood pressure. So imagine a balloon. The pressure causing increased strain on your heart. Damaging the
Afslaan naar
other
Airport
major organs.
28 Thomas
Causing
Hout
the risk
Street.
of a stroke. The pressure building until it's too late. 2 in 3 adults over 50 have high blood pressure and half don't know it. Once detected, it's easily managed. Get your blood pressure checked by your GP or local pharmacy before damage is done. A message from the Irish Heart Foundation.
Make real summer savings at Super Value. Like Super Value fresh barbecue meats, 3 for €10. HB ice cream packs such as Twister and Calippo, 2 for €6. Scan your Real Rewards card or app and get Hellman Squeezy sauces, 3 for €5. And Robinson's Fruit Shoot 8-pack range, now $2.50. Make real summer savings at Super Value. DRS applies.
All access to Audi is all yours with the 252 Audi range. Enjoy exhilarating test drives, exciting offers, introductory incentives, and exclusive product packs for a limited time during Audi All Access in dealerships nationwide. Discover all the advantages to owning a new Audi this summer. Terms and conditions apply. Audi voor Schwung Picnic.
Over 200 meter. Sla linksaf op de rotonde naar strand.
20% off the
Vervolgens
cost of
rechts
gas boiler
afslaan.
and heat pump services right now. So, get your 20% off by booking your gas boiler or heat pump service today at borgoshenergy.ie. And to celebrate your financial genius, here's something you can hop along to for the remaining 20% of this ad.
Sla linksaf op de rotonde naar strand. Vervolgens rechts afslaan naar Harbour Road.
T's and C's apply.
Email ray@rte.ie. The Ray Darcy Show on RTE Radio 1.
Now, I told you yesterday that before she left for Basel on this year's Eurovision Song Contest, Emmy recorded a couple of songs for us. We played out one yesterday, which was her version of Hold Me Now, the song that won the Eurovision for Johnny Logan, and she also recorded a stripped back
400 meter.
acoustic version
Links
of
afslaan
the
naar
song
Harbour Road.
she will sing this evening in the second Eurovision, and we're going to play that for you in about 10 minutes time. But first we have to do a bit of ballooning. Yes, we do. Yeah, yesterday we mentioned a story about a girl on TikTok who posted about her 20-year-old balloon. Her name is Amy from Galway, and she posted a video where she was holding a Winnie the Pooh balloon, which she says she got 20 years ago. So she threw down the balloon gauntlet, and we asked, is this the oldest balloon? We like doing things like this. We've done the oldest Easter egg, the oldest goldfish, the oldest Christmas trees, the oldest fridge. The list goes on. And we're adding balloon to that list now. Hello,
Links
Cora.
afslaan naar Harbour Road.
Hello, Ray.
Vervolgens links afslaan.
Where are you in the country?
I'm in Lucan, County Dublin.
Right. And you have a balloon?
Links
You've two
afslaan.
I have two balloons.
Right. And how old are your two balloons?
One is 24 this year,
Over
and the
100
other
meter.
is 28
Rechts
this
afslaan.
year.
Right. And will you explain the significance of your two balloons to us, please?
Yes, certainly. Well, when both my daughters were born, the tradition would be to bring in a little hamper and a baby balloon.
Right.
And so I had one from each of them.
Right.
They were given to me on the day they were born. And I can tell you the exact date I got them. One was the 8th of June, and the other was the 31st of July.
Yeah, the 8th of June 1997, 31st July 2001. Can you describe them to us, Cora?
Yes, one has the eldest one is the 28-year-old one is a Beatrice Potter
Right.
in the shape of a heart.
Yeah, yeah.
With the Beatrice Potter characters, new baby is on it, and it's kind of a yellowy, greeny, mouldy colour a little bit now. But so that was in a heart shape, and that was 97.
Right.
And then the 24-year-old is baby girl with rattlers and dummies and a little duck in pink.
And where?
The pink, the colour is actually has kept.
Yeah.
And they're both filled with helium.
Right. And
Yeah.
can I ask you, Cora? Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you. From the outset, did you plan to keep them?
No.
Right.
No. I just, when you come back from the hospital, and I was actually on the first one, the 28 one, she was actually born when I was living in an apartment.
Right.
So it actually came with me from an apartment to my house where I'm living now, and it survived.
Right. Yeah. And where do you keep them? Where do you keep them?
I keep them in the china cabinet on top of